Hello, I am Girish Krishnani. And you are watching 5-Minute Learnings. This is the 10th video in the series on intelligence. Today, we will explore adversity quotient, AQ, and its testing. AQ measures an individual's resilience and ability to handle setbacks and challenges. It reflects one's capacity to adapt, persevere, and demonstrate emotional intelligence in difficult situations. In the context of diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI, AQ is crucial. Individuals from marginalized groups often face systemic barriers and biases. A high AQ enables them to confront and overcome these obstacles, fostering a more inclusive environment. Here are the 4 main components of adversity quotient: control, belief in one's ability to influence circumstances; ownership, taking responsibility for actions and outcomes; reach, seeking support and resources during adversity; endurance, persistence and resilience while maintaining motivation and optimism. Example: consider a woman of color in a male-dominated industry. Despite facing bias, she demonstrates a high AQ by taking control of her career through mentorship, networking, and skill development. Her resilience helps her navigate obstacles and achieve success. Understanding and developing AQ is essential for fostering resilience in DEI initiatives. By enhancing AQ, individuals can effectively tackle challenges, contributing to a more equitable society. AQ assessment: Dr. Stoltz from Peak Learning Incorporation developed a test to evaluate how individuals respond to adversity and identify areas for improvement. The assessment consists of 20 questions, with scores ranging from 1 to 5. A higher total score, calculated by multiplying the sum by 2, indicates better resilience, with the average score being 147.5. Here is a sample report of the test. The link for the test is provided in the description of the video. A high AQ score indicates that a person is more likely to thrive in challenging situations, better handle negative life events and recover from setbacks, achieve greater success, reach goals and maintain higher productivity, exhibit resilience, navigate difficulties effectively, demonstrate creativity, show increased creativity when faced with challenges, maintain better health, manage stress more effectively, contributing to overall well-being, possess a positive outlook, embrace adversity, leading to a richer life. In contrast, individuals with low AQ scores are more likely to struggle during tough times and experience greater negative impacts from life events. Adaptability quotient is also often abbreviated as AQ, and while we are at it, it's worthwhile to understand the difference between the two as they measure different aspects of resilience. Adversity quotient assesses how well someone can withstand challenges and bounce back from setbacks. Individuals with a high adversity quotient effectively cope with adversity and persist even when faced with significant obstacles. They don't give up easily, even when the odds are against them. Adaptability quotient evaluates how well someone can adjust their thoughts and actions to changes in their environment. Those with a high adaptability quotient are skilled problem solvers, open to change, and flexible in their approaches. That's all on AQ from my side. In the next video, we will discuss the roles of different quotients, namely IQ, EQ, SQ, and AQ, in our lives, highlighting their similarities and differences. Hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, 5-Minute Learnings. And do remember to hit the bell icon to get notified of the new videos. Thanks for watching.